Bedroq Seek, video analytics to monitor and protect energy assets. Our goal is to enable operation room staff to more efficiently monitor multiple feeds and sites. Video analytics software can provide live intelligence from multiple data feeds and analyze hours of recorded footage in a matter of minutes. Bedroq Seek is more than just software. It's a scalable, fully managed service including training, hosting, maintenance, monitoring, and security. If you partner with Bedroq, you will get the very best software packaged into one service. It can be integrated with existing surveillance systems and hosted in our own UK-based data centers. For the energy sector, we see Bedroq Seek being most effective in two ways. Live analytics, which can be used to set up custom live alerts across multiple feeds, allowing for instant action or review of health and safety risks, issues, visitors, and everything in between. And post-processing. Bedroq Seek processes your footage into an instantly searchable database. This cuts down the amount of footage to be reviewed and can lead to you finding what you're looking for in a matter of minutes. But what does this really mean for you? Simply put, Bedroq Seek will allow you to focus your team's time where it matters, maintaining high standards of health and safety while keeping your assets secure. We're able to speed up your ability to react to issues such as PPE detection, injuries, early fire prevention, restricted areas, blocked exits, and leak detection, saving you time and money and giving you the ability to prevent incidents escalating. Bedroq Seek, giving you the power to secure your assets.